Welcome to Math Lab by SuArt, promoting experimental learning in mathematics. In this video, we are going to learn about trigonometric properties with activity to verify that the value of sine theta increases with the increase in theta when theta is between 0 and 90 degrees. Material required is SuArt Apparatus baseboard for trigonometric properties, a thread roll, a protractor, some screws. Screw bushes are given along the semicircle and at the origin to fix these screws. Hypothesis. This property holds true over the apparatus. Step 1. Thread in the screws in the given grooves along the semicircle, like shown here. Step 2. Install the protractor at the origin of the scale with the help of a screw, as shown here. Now let's focus on this arrangement only. Step 3. Tie the open end of the thread on the thread roll to the screw at O and construct the triangle as shown here. This triangle is named OAP. Measure the angle at O, which is angle AOP is equals to 30 degrees. The value of sine of angle in consideration is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. We can see here that the circle under the consideration has a radius of 15 centimeters. So hypotenuse OA is equals to 15 centimeters. Step 4. Finding the perpendicular, that is the length of side AP of triangle OAP. Using the thread, construct a horizontal line from same vertex A parallel to the horizontal scale such that it intersects the vertical scale, as shown here. The point where the line intersects the vertical scale gives us the length of the perpendicular AP is equals to 7.5 centimeters. Step 5. Note the reading in the table given here. Step 6. Using the same procedure, take readings for other vertices on the circumference of the semicircles. These vertices are A, B, C, and D. We find that the angle for these vertices are as follows. At vertex B is 45 degrees, at vertex C is 60 degrees, and at vertex D is 90 degrees. Observations and calculations. In this activity, we were working with theta is equals to 30 degrees, which gives us perpendicular is equals to 7.5 centimeters, hypotenuse is equals to 15 centimeters. So, sine of angle, that is sine theta, is equals to 7.5 divided by 15 is equals to 0.5, which can also be written as 1 by 2. Similarly, results for 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees are as follows. To verify the value of sine theta in the last column of the above table, match them with the values given in the table on apparatus baseboard. Inference. Value of sine theta for each angle is given in this table. Here we can clearly see that as the value of the angle increases, the value of trigonometric ratio sine theta increases. We can also learn from this activity that when theta is between 0 and 90 degrees, the value of sine theta is between 0 and 1. This concludes our activity. Thank you for watching.